This is the first core topic, loss of indices. Difficult level. Simplify m to the power negative 12 times n to the power 8 over n to the power 3. And then express your answer with positive indices. So here, let me copy down the question first. First of all, we can see that n to the power 8 on the top and n to the power 3 at the bottom. We can apply the law 8 to the power m over 8 to the power n, which equal to 8 to the power m minus n. So we can have m to the power negative 12, just copy it down, times n to the power a minus 3. Okay, same base, then we can combine the numbers, the power. So m to the power negative 12 times n to the power 5. So here, one power is negative 12, another power is positive 5. We need to express our answer with positive indices. So the power negative 12 cannot, we need to change it to positive. So we need to apply a to the power negative n equal to 1 over a to the power n. So we have m to the power negative 12 equal to 1 over m to the power positive 12 times n to the power 5. Here, n to the power 5 just times the numerator. So 1 times n to the power 5, which is n to the power 5, over the denominator, just copy it down. Okay, that's it.